Thanks for tuning into this video. This here is a straightforward tutorial on how to do a neck taper with an undercut. So I'm going to take the 1.5 guard with the lever fully closed and go against the grain. I'm going right up to the point where his locks start. I use the comb to section off the hair, and this prevents me from cutting any of his locks. I do this because if you're not careful, the hair will get caught up in the guard. And right here I'm taking the 1 guard with the lever fully closed, smoothing down the hair. I want to get the sides as smooth as possible. Next, I take the trimmer to make my guideline for the taper. And I'm going to take the lever fully open on the clipper and make a 1-inch guideline. After that, I'm going to fully close the lever and begin blending at the bottom. I'm going to gradually work my way up to the top of the guideline. The first time I go up, I open the lever about 1/4 of the way, and then I open it up a little bit past halfway the second time. Notice how I'm staying right up under that line. I don't want to pass that line because then I'll end up raising the taper, and I don't want to do that. I come back with the 1 guard and the lever is fully open. So the steps with the 1 guard, lever open, lever closed, and then blend in the middle with the lever halfway open. And as you see, I keep tilting the clipper because I want to cut the hair in the natural direction that it grows. If you pay attention, you can see that his hair grows to the side. It kind of slants. And the best way to get a smooth cut is to go against the grain. So here the lever is closed and I'm blending at the bottom. So at first it was open, now I'm closed at the bottom. And make sure you comb after every few strokes with the clipper, that way you put the hair back into its place. And now the lever is halfway open and I'm blending in between that 1 open and 1 closed. And the reason I made this video, a lot of people say I only show the sides, so this is just a different perspective, but it's the same steps. Now I come up under that 1 guard closed with the half guard and the lever is halfway open. Being careful not to go too high with this guard. Then I close the lever and blend right up under that. At this point, we've gone through the system and now it's time for the refinement or the touch-up work. So I'm just going back and getting rid of any dark spots that I see. Here I'm only using the corner of the blade because I'm only trying to get dark spots. So use your mirror and do this until you're satisfied. By the way, if you're new to this channel and you got value out of this video, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you guys have any haircut requests or just any video ideas in general, be sure to comment below. Thanks for watching.